You're already paying for a $15 Netflix subscription, a Disney Plus subscription for your kids, and a gym membership, and it's just taking money from you. But what if a subscription that you paid for actually made you money? And the reason you are here right now is because you're either a parent or you're just an adult who's underpaid. The hardest working people in the room are usually the most underpaid. The separation from being a hard worker and making what you're worth is simply knowledge. That's the median, the in between. There's millions of people scrolling on the internet hiding from their reality because they hate their life. There's people scrolling for entertainment because they hate their life and they want to just get away. And only a small percent of people run across videos like this that can actually impact them, actually help them make money, where when they put in work once, they get paid over and over. Like, imagine sharing a subscription link that solves a person problem, and they keep this subscription link for months and months, and every time they pay their subscription, you get paid. Wouldn't that give you way more incentive on wanting to keep that subscription? Now, the hardest part is figuring out how to fit something like this in your daily schedule when you have to take the dog out, go to work 90% of the day, handle kids, cook, bring the bacon home. And that's where you need a turnkey system. You need a place where you can simply come and capture a link and share this link with like-minded people, and you get paid. And what if you can do this with quick 25 to 60-second videos? And what if you can do this in 2-hour work intervals every single day? Meaning lunch breaks, meaning when you get home, before you leave for work, before you walk into the gym, when you're just chilling and relaxing. You can pick up your phone, record this step-by-step video that I'm gonna show you how to make, tell you what to say, and wow, you have people all over the world wanting to purchase from you. Hello? Are you excited yet? Or do you think it's just fluff? While I'm not gonna do this every single video, let's just do it this video. Right here, you have multiple people making money within the last hour. I'm not the only one making money. You see people making multiple commissions, all from the internet. And what's crazy about this specific product is the age bracket in this company is about 50 plus. Meaning you have people with zero tech skills making money online. And I think that's enough. So if you want to see this turnkey system where you can get a link, you can get a whole system, products already loaded, and you can see exactly how the internet is not just a place to screw over your time frame and waste time scrolling and actually make money. First, I hope you're subscribed to the channel because I'm going to be dropping videos like this every day and you can mimic what I'm doing and do the same thing. And two, I think I've talked enough. Information is in the description and you'll see the exact same system that you're going to get to the T with AI powering it, closing sales for you, helping you close sales. And all you got to do is get people to the page. Guys, I've never seen anything like this.